Beneath calm water, an impossible object appears.
A machine built for asphalt rests on the seabed.
First rule, don't touch. Initial assessment avoids all physical contact.
Every document defines the same recovery target.
Strength exists only where it was designed. Saltwater complicates electrical safety. Instinctive lift points won't work.
Legal controls from the start.
Hey, good eye.
Point loads are forbidden.
Only millimeters matter.
Patient is managed early. The seabed releases its grip.
Weight distribution dictates pace. No contact below.
Small inputs prevent big damage.
Slow commands. Dynamic shock is the enemy.
Agency protects structure.
Surface conditions are prepared.
Cradle ready!
Landing is as critical as lifting. The first breath of air.
Stabilize!
Motion is damped immediately.
Loads transfer to the cradle.
No sudden release.
Hybrid safety comes first.
Trapped water accelerates corrosion.
Exposure time is minimized. Environment is controlled. Loads are reassigned.
Vibration is minimized.
Conditions are stabilized.
No.
Salt traces are eliminated.
Safety systems lead. Energy returns carefully.
Electronics are tested first.
Leaks cannot exist.
Shape returns.
Future damage is delayed.
Moisture is the enemy.
Every spec is met.
The moment of truth. Systems respond.
Limits are respected. Residual water leaves. Movement returns.
Recovery becomes restoration.
And
Data confirms recovery.
Limits expand carefully.
Heat behavior matters.
Safety systems respond.
Initial testing concludes.
Testing leaves evidence.
No leaks appear. Dry.
Assembly integrity holds.
Standards are met.
Engineering completes the journey. Precision guided every step.
Nothing moves without intent.
Form returns, untouched.
Details confirm success. The process is archived.
Care continues beyond recovery.
Continuity matters.
Nothing is missing.
The job winds down.
Intervention ends.
Engineering endures. From depth to daylight. The cycle closes. Only discipline. Every decision counted. From seabed to restoration. Force never led.
Patience defines success.
Nothing rushed.
That is the lesson.
Even the most delicate machines can return.